judges, my beloved friends, and also the audience, good morning! Let me introduce myself. My name is Yasan and today I will tell you a story about the legend of raw opening. Do you know what the legend of raw opening is? Well, if you don't know, then let me tell you about it. Once upon a time, there was a little boy that came into a little village. He was so hungry and weak. When he came into that little village, he knocked at every single door in the village. Hello? Hello? Can anybody help me? Hello? But at the end, nobody wants to help him, even open the door for him. But finally, an old generous woman came in to help. So he offers this little poor boy a food, shelter, and weapon named Lasso. Do you know what Lasso is? Lasso is a big wooden mortar that for pounding rice. This is Lasso.
Oh, hello, little boy. What are you doing in this village?
Hello, I just came into this village and I'm so hungry, I'm weak. Can you help me?
Well, I can help you. Come with me. Follow me, little boy. From now on, this is your shelter. And this is your food. Eat it so you won't be able to feel hunger again.
Thank you. I appreciate it so much.
And this is Lasung. I'll give you Lasung. If you are in the danger, use this Lasung as your protector. So you can be safe at any time and anywhere you are.
Thank you so much. I appreciate this, but I cannot use your shelter. I have to go.
It's okay, little poor boy. Go, write your journey.
Thank you. As he leave the old generous woman, he walking around in the village and saw a big crowd in the middle of the field. He came closer to that crowd and seeing everybody challenge each other. Hey, can you pull out that stick? I bet you cannot. You are weak. Huh? You underestimate me, huh? Let me show you my power. Damn it! Okay, I might be the powerful, but this stick is more powerful than me. Now your turn. The first person pulled out the stick, but he cannot do it. He says that the stick is more stronger than him. So he challenged the second person. The second person come close and pulled out the stick. How come? Damn it! This stick almost pulled out, but he came back into place. The second person almost pulled out the stick, but he said the stick came back into its place. So the little poor boy came into the crowd and seeing everybody and offering a little help. Can I try? Can I try? Huh? You, a poor boy? A little girl like you cannot pull out the stick, not even me. Try that out, I bet you cannot. Yeah, he's right. You little guy just full weaklings. You don't deserve this. But try it. Even though the crowd laughing and mocking him, this little poor boy still wanted to try his luck. So he came closer to that stick and pulled out the stick really easily. Look! I just pulled out the stick! Look! Look at me! Look at me! What? This little guy just pulled out the stick! How come we cannot do that? How? what powers you have, little kid. Let me know. Let me learn from you. You are great. Look, there's a water. Run from, save your life. Run. Everybody seeing there's water came out from the hole that been made by the stick. They're running around and save their life, but end up they all die. But there's only two persons who still live, the little poor boy and the old generous woman. How come these guys just saved from a disaster? Well, the little poor boy remembers what the old generous lady said, so he used Lesung as his savior, as his protector. And when he used Lesung, he come by to save this all generous lady. Now that village become a lake, and these days the lake named the Rawa Burning Lake is located in Salatiga, Central Java, Indonesia. The moral value of the story: pride, arrogance, and disrespect are dishonorable characters. We should help people by not seeing their religion, physical appearance, or even their economic state. That's all from me. My name is Jason. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.